Blower door testing, another thing that, is highly recommended to get done because it could show you if you're getting infiltration from outside air, which causes mold, humidity, stuff like that. Equipment changeouts, that's basic stuff, condensers, furnaces, air handlers. If you have something that fails, it's just one component, we'll come change it out. Maintenance, that's always the key. Without maintenance, you're getting some of these things done, no matter what. Furnace inspections and startups, typically before winter comes, the 3 days of winter that we get, everybody, especially older people, have you come out, check their furnace, the gas heat, the electrical, make sure they don't have no fires about to happen or anything like that. Repairs, troubleshooting, and diagnosing, that's like if you call us out just to give you an opinion, quote, stuff like that. And we handle all our warranty registrations. We don't leave it up to the customer to do, to make sure everybody gets their extended 10 or 12-year warranties.